Welcome back, guys. We're doing our block paving job on this one. We've already took tarmac up and that. I did record it, but the camera hasn't recorded it, so we'll start from here. There's a big lump. It's coming. Hi guys, so we're back. We're doing block paving. That block's over there, I'll show you in a minute. We've had a bit of rain over the weekend, so we've just come back. Got some of them dark patches. We just poured a bit of cement on to dry it out a bit, and then we're going to put a layer of sand down and give it another whack. These are blocks, look. Nice 60 mils, and then they come in 3 different sizes. And then we've got a bit of a darker one, charcoals, which we're going to cut in half. And we're going to edge it round, so it's going to look quite nice. I'm just sorting out these here, so we're going to be same height as that, so we've got quite a lot messing about to do with that. I've extended that end there was here, so we're just extending it to there. I've put a T on and that'll go that way, and then Arco drain is going to go, or ACO is going to go all the way, so it leans. At a minute, half of it leans down that way and then half of it comes to me and it'll run into here, and that's what we're doing with it. So we're just going to get this sand spread out, give it a whack, get some more sand on, and then give that a whack. We'll get his channels in. I've got some 20mm channel, and then we'll start screeding back and hopefully we can start laying some. We've got a fair bit to do. We're going to run them cuts around there as a border, then I think we're going to like put lines across like this so it goes this way, and then hopefully like when you come out of here you're going to be looking at it on an angle, so you're not going to be looking down straight lines. That's the idea. And then when you come in that way it's going to be like brick paved sort of thing that way. So yeah, it should look quite nice. Big area now. We've extended that back bit there, that had a load of weeds in. We've extended that, and then we've extended another metre here, so it's going to be a big driveway. They're from Plasma, them Plas Pave. 60, I think it was 60. We've got nine packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've got 9 packs. I think it does 68 metres, and it cost 2,160 quid, I think, which is not too bad for them kind with 60mm. So yeah, we've got it's quite a good deal on them, and a really nice block as well. So yeah, we're going to be doing that. Right, let's crack on. Right, I'm sort of hoping that that'll go up level, and then so like that'll drop into it then, and that goes on there. And we've still got his rodding place to rod, but it were right there in front of the gate, so I moved it that way as well, which makes it a bit better because it's out of the way. This is a sand, look, it's really coarse. It's probably like, I'd say 3mm chip-ins, so it's don't hold you know, it don't go soggy with water or out. It's really nice stuff. Really good for block paving. We've got our rails in. We'll just put a bit more down because we're going to whack that, and then we're going to scrape it off. Just wanted topping up a little bit, so we're going to do that now, and then we'll work then we'll take that rail, put it there, and we'll work along that way. Just had to pick a piece of wood up because I haven't brought all my stuff from home. I've been home once, picked some stuff up, and then forgot everything else. Monday though, innit? Takes some getting used to those Monday mornings. Oh.
Stone on this one. Come back a bit more.
Yeah. Yeah, then we'll take bar from here and drop that into the side. Right, that's it. We need a line and a tape measure, and what we're going to do is we're going to string a line like that because we want it to be angled that way, and then these will be cuts in here at the start, and then we'll be able to come straight off at an angle centre of the circle.
675 is 37.5, wouldn't it?
3 metres, 37, 40, yeah, it is about there, exactly where we've got it. Well, that's great. Got camera on, just took a look at it. I haven't recorded. We've got a few down. Oh, God's sake, honestly. Touch your head in. But yeah, you can see angle we're coming off at. Yeah, hopefully we can get a bit recorded. It's knocking on a little bit now. I've got to go to another job. But yeah, we might get some down tomorrow. Oh, we've got half an hour, so we'll get a few more down. Just what I'm doing is I'm just putting these in, and then I'm gonna draw a line, and then I'm just gonna cut the whole line, and they'll just drop in. It's the quickest way to do it. Otherwise, I've got to cut these, and I've got to cut them separate. So we'll just cut it all in one big line. Oh, that was the worst, man.
It's a nightmare doing that curve, though, isn't it?
Hopefully it's right. Oh, we're cutting that again. Come out and we're just putting them in, and then I'm sort of getting front's a little high, so we're just going to have it like a little ramp. So I'm just prepping this, just taking it out of front a little bit. And then what we'll do is stop these from moving. We'll set them where we want them, then we'll fill them with sand before we actually whack these, because if we whack them, they'll settle and they'll go funny. So we'll, what we do is, with edges, we just sand them so they don't move first. And the rest of it just gets whacked, then we sand it, then whack it again. And we just keep doing that till it's full. And I can place them, look, if my cut's a little bit out, I can just fill it with sand. I'm just bedding these edgings down, and then what I've done is I've just cut a groove in these blocks so they look the same as other. Because when I'm grinding them, if you cut full lot and you get grinder on twist, it just makes it hard, and it's easier bedding a full block down than a little bit. So I just try it in first, make sure it's going to go, and then I've got some SBR and some cement. I'm just going to paint them all with this, and then makes it stick a lot better on edgings. It's just because these are against grass, these other ones against curb, so it didn't really matter. But and then they'll go in like that, and we'll just tap them down, and then I'll just get them squarish. Oh, if I can, like that. And we're just going to do all lot all the way along this edge, and then probably do drains. We need to sort drains to spin round, and then we'll sort drains out over there, and then we've only just got that little bit of paving to do then. So I'll get these in. Right, I've got them in, look. And I almost forgot, look, see how I've got like 5mm there, because this hasn't been whacked yet, so this will whack down to these, because these ain't going to move, because these are bedded on cement. Right, drains next. Right, I've just put a bed down, and then we're just going to put it in so it's linked so cement don't come in, and then it should, yeah, put it tight up, and then we'll shove it down. Yeah, and then we'll just tap that down at that. Just tap these down. Now up that level with that, so down a bit. It's not bad, that one, it's not bad. Oh god, I hate these. Freezing. Just had his dinner. Now freezing. Look at that, eh? Perfecto. Yeah.
Yep.
We'll just put a bit more cement down there, and then that'll do the job. Like an absolute muppet, I didn't cut all that, so I had to take it back up and relay it. Oh god, honestly. Your fault! You give me it. It is your fault. Just gunk some silicone in there. I'll do the other side off camera because I've got to use two hands like that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just back it up, and then we'll can take these blocks to it, and then these ones here will just get filled in because it's slightly down, but it's the only way I could carry this drain through because it needs to be level with garage. And then I just had to put gate up 10mm so it misses it. There we go, look. Then we'll just fill a block in like that way on that. Nice. I've just cut that as well with grinder. So we're gonna have a 4-inch stones that side. It is all going that way, and then it runs down to here, but it's gonna look, we'd have to cement it to it anyway, so we might as well cut it and then have some nice stoning. It's gonna look better, and it'll help for drainage. Otherwise it'll just, see all these sticky in and out concrete boards, it just look, we'd end up cementing it, it'd just look rubbish anyway. So have a nice border down there. Just cutting last few. It's Monday morning. We're just waiting for it to dry, so I've just got that little bit. See that? That's where that thing we're going to be. Music off before I get demonetised. Yeah, so see that? That's where the drain were coming up, the rodding bit. I've just covered it up with these corner pieces here. Of course, you can rod from there, that'll come up, and then that'll just rod straight through. And then if not, if we are towing one day, you know, when it does get blocked up, there's just that to take out there, and it'll just go straight down. Just looks better than them stupid things everywhere. Anyway, yeah, I've covered it up. Just getting the sand in, then we'll give it a sweep out thick off, and then like Timmy's there, and then we'll give it another whack. Nearly there, just slanted that down to a bit. It's been sanded again, and then Tim, we're just finishing off down here with some what is it, grey decorative granite, so it'll match block paving. It should dry lighter than that. It's a wet bag, so it should dry pretty much that colour, and then we'll cut this off after. That's it, it's pretty much done. It looks a bit rubbish at the minute because it's all wet and not dried, and we've got some really black clouds coming across, but we're going to be coming back and we'll re-sand this one at days. But if I don't, this is the finished video. But yeah, looks nice, and then all these edgings you can see, and then runs into them down there. It's a shame it ain't nice and dry like. For us to take final picture. Oh yeah, and then there them granite ones, look here, that's a dry bag. Sort of that colour. So that's it. Big drive. Done. So I took a few pictures on this one, but as you can see it's still wet, so I don't think we're going to get a dry one on this one. But yeah, this is it, finished. So I'll catch you in the next one, guys. See you later.